Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. Here is a problem, a binomial expansion problem, and expand in ascending power of x up to x to the power cube. But there is a problem. If we use the binomial expansion, usually I use these rules. There is a two rules, but I use these rules which is start from 1 plus x. But in your question, it is the factor start from 8, right? But the rule says 1 plus. It must start from 1. So we have to common the 8 to make it 1. How to common it? 8 common 1 minus 2x over 8 whole to the power 1/3, and the third line is 8 to the power 1/3 means 2. Use your calculator or mentally you can calculate it. 8 to the power 1/3 means 2, right? 2 to the power 3, 3 cancel, it is 2. So this is our binomial expansion. It is now suitable to use because our new factor is start from 1, which is 1 minus x plus x over 4. Before that was a start from 8, which is not possible to use this binomial expansion. Now what is the value of n? N value is 1 by 3, x value is minus n equals to 1 over 3. At first you have to write the binomial expansion and then put the value of n and x in the expression in your second line. Do you understood? Then put the value of n and x in the x square terms. N times n minus 1 over 2 factorial x square. What is the value of x? It is minus x over 4. Then the terms of x to the power cube, which is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial. Put the value of n and x. What is the value of x now? It is minus x by 4 to the power x cube. X to the power cube is up to x to the cube is good enough because our question is including in terms of x to the power cube. Okay. After then we will multiply with the other factor 1 minus 2x. But x to the power cube is good enough. Now what is the value? I am using the calculator. 2 times 1, that is 2. And 1 3, the x minus 4, that is over 2, it is 1 minus 6, and 1 over 72x square. And for the x to the power 3 terms, 5 over 2 5 9 2 x to the power 3. I am using the calculator. Okay, you may use your calculator. Time is very valuable, you know. Watch my previous videos. I have solved all the binomial and partial fraction problems. So now we have to multiply with the factors 1 minus 2x with the expression. It is 1 over 72x square minus 5 2592 x to the power cube. Our target is x to the power 3. So it is not necessary to expand all of this. Just show the x to the power 3 terms. Okay, which one is x to the 3 terms? 1 times 5 over 2592, it is x to the power 3 terms, right? But I am showing you but it is not necessary to show that. Okay, 1 times 5 over 2592, it is x to the 3 terms, and 2x times 1 over 72 x square, it is the x to the 3 terms. Anyway, so expand all of this. Including in terms of x to the 3, you have to show the all of this in ascending order. It is 2x times 5 over 2592 x to the power 3. Now the numeric terms is 2, and there is another, there is nothing. So 2 is 2. X terms, how many x terms is there? This one, and where that one? It is minus 4 and minus 1 by 6x. What is the result of calculation? It is okay, I use the plus sign, there is a reason. And 72 1 over 72, and there is another x square terms, this one is x square terms, minus 1 over 72 plus 2 over 6 x square. And now the terms of x to the power cube, I use the plus sign again, there is a reason. 2 over 72x and 5 over 2592 x square x cube, it is 25 over 6x. The reason is why use the plus sign before the bracket, because it is easy to calculate by your calculator. Minus 1, it is 67 over 2592. This is the answer. See you in the next class.